kaasam, ako nga pala si Shane at ngayong araw ay pag-uusapan natin ng tungkol sa learning diversity based on the lesson of Mr. Samoya and Mr. Escalzo. But before we start, let me ask you, have you ever noticed that in group activities, some students like to write, others like to draw, while some prefer to explain the topic in front of the class? That's because we all have different ways of learning, and that's what learning diversity is all about. From the lesson of Mr. Samoya and Mr. Scalzo, I learned that learning diversity means recognizing that every student has different learning styles, skills, and needs. Because of that, teachers use different strategies to make learning more interesting, fair, and inclusive for everyone. One strategy is the jigsaw method. In this method, the class is divided into small groups and each group studies a different part of one big topic. Ngayon mga kaasam, magtatanong tayo ng isang tao kung nagamit niya na ba yung jigsaw method sa kanyang pag-aaral. So tara! Nagamit mo na ba yung jigsaw method sa iyong pag-aaral?
Oo. Tulad kahapon, pinagawa kami ng report tungkol sa human body parts. Si Franklin, binigyan ko ng parts about sa brain. At si Montel naman about sa lungs. At ako naman about sa heart. At naisip ko yun para mapabilis yung paggawa namin ng report. At mabuo namin yung information. At lahat kami may alam.
They complete the lesson like a puzzle. This strategy builds teamwork, confidence, and understanding because every student has a special role to play. Another strategy is this discovery learning. Instead of the teacher giving all the answers, students explore and find out things on their own. For example, instead of the teacher just explaining how plants grow, students can plant seeds, observe them daily, and record how they change. Through this, they discover the process by themselves, making the lesson more memorable and exciting. Lastly, there's differentiated instruction and flexible modalities. This means teachers use different activities like group discussions, presentations, videos, and games so that every learner can participate and understand in their own way. This approach helps make learning more inclusive, personalized, and student-centered. So, my personal reflection, learning about this strategy helped me realize that teaching and learning aren't the same for everyone. Each student has their own style, and that's okay. As a learner, I now understand that I can use my strengths like discussing lessons with classmates or using visuals to learn better. And if I become a teacher one day, I'll make sure to use methods like jigsaw and discovery learning to help my students learn in ways that fit them best. In conclusion, to sum it up, the lessons from Mr. Samoya and Mr. Scalzo taught me that learning diversity means appreciating our differences and finding a way to make learning meaningful for everyone. By using strategies like jigsaw, discovery learning, and differentiated instruction, teachers can make the classroom more fun, inclusive, and engaging. Let's always remember, we all learn in different ways, but together, we can build a classroom where everyone succeeds. And that's all for today's video. Once again, I am Sherpal Jipanset, kabugera ng Agusan. Thank you for watching!